Why is Iran's security establishment suddenly considering options to target US installations across the Middle East? According to multiple US officials and Iranian state media, Iran's parliament speaker Mohammad Bagher Kalibaf issued a stark warning on January 11, 2026. Both the occupied territory, Israel, and all American military centers, bases, and ships in the region will be our legitimate targets if America strikes first. We do not consider ourselves limited to reacting after the action and will act based on any objective signs of a threat, Kalibaf declared, as lawmakers rushed the days shouting, "Death to America." This marks the most explicit Iranian threat against US forces since the June 2025 war with Israel. The threat comes as President Trump weighs military options over Iran's protest crackdown. Two US officials told CNN that Trump has been presented with preliminary plans for action against Iran, ranging from strikes to non-kinetic measures like cyber attacks. The Wall Street Journal confirms Trump will receive a major briefing Tuesday on options, including hitting non-military targets in Tehran. The administration is seriously considering intervention after protests killed at least 203 people, according to Harana and Iran Human Rights. Trump warned, "If they start shooting, we'll start shooting too." Iran's security establishment is on high alert for preemptive action. The IRGC has warned it will not wait to react, with Kalibaf stating, "Within the framework of legitimate self-defense, we do not limit ourselves to responding only after an attack." The Iranian Defense Council threatened preemptive strikes if it detects objective signs of a threat. This follows Iran's destruction of air defenses in the June war with Israel, leaving the regime vulnerable but still capable of ballistic missile retaliation. US installations across the Middle East are now at heightened risk. Iran previously targeted Al Udeid Air Base in Qatar during the June conflict. The US Fifth Fleet in Bahrain, bases in Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, and Iraq could all be targeted. Israeli officials told ABC News that Israel is watching closely and has discussed the situation with Secretary of State Marco Rubio. The Israeli military stated it is postured to respond with power if need be. The core question is whether this is bluster or genuine preparation for war. US officials say most options being considered are non-kinetic, designed to support protesters without triggering wider conflict. But Iran's explicit threats and Trump's locked and loaded rhetoric create a dangerous escalation ladder. With internet blackouts and 2,600 detainees, the death toll could be far higher, potentially pushing the regime toward external aggression to unify the population. What do you think? Should Iran's threat to target US installations be treated as legitimate self-defense warning? Or is this just desperate posturing by a collapsing regime trying to deter intervention? Drop your thoughts below.